few weeks ago, I uploaded this particular video where I showed how I created a book cover using Pixellab on my smartphone. And of recent, I got a comment asking how I created a book mockup, which I use in creating the thumbnail for the video. So that is exactly what I will be showing, in this video. I'm going to be creating a tutorial which will be guiding you through how you can create a book cover mockup using just a smartphone. But before I do, if this is your first time watching from this channel, please click on the subscribe button and put on the description bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video like this. And as for the returning viewers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's start into the video. So yeah, using any browser on your smartphone, into the sidebar you input DIY book cover, do it yourself book covers. So once you search for this, the fourth site on search, this is the site you are going to be using. So you click on this and you'll be redirected into the site here. So if you look on this, we have the single and the composite layer. The single is for a single mockup and the composite is for two or more than two, like three, where we have the tab, the book, and the phone mockup. So to use any of the mockup, you just select any of the one you want. So once you select it like this, up here you click on next, and you are going to be having this page where you are going to be uploading the design you want to use. So you click on browse here, your gallery will open up like this, and you are going to be selecting the design you want to use. So yeah, click on browse to select your design, and then locate your design wherever you have it. Click on it, and then you click on upload. So yeah, if you look down here, the design is now uploading. So the design is now upload. So once the design has been uploaded like this, you click on next. After you've clicked on next, here you have PNG, you have DNG, you have JPG, you have PNG, JPG. So whether you want to download as JPG or you want to download as PNG, you click on any of the two. So I will be downloading as PNG. So I will click on PNG. Then within some few seconds of clicking, you will see it downloading at the top here. So you can see it is now downloading. So let's open and see what we've so you can see this is now mocked up into the tab, the phone, and the book cover mockup. That is just how you can create the book cover mockup using your smartphone. This is really easy and efficient. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe on the channel, and put on the description bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video like this. Thanks for watching.